Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Homes. If you're looking for an easy way to watch live sports, news, entertainment, and hundreds of TV channels on your FireStick, then fuboTV is one of the best streaming services available today. Let's get started. Step 1. Turn on your FireStick. Start by powering on your FireStick and make sure it's connected to the internet. From the home screen, navigate to the Find option and select Search. Step 2. Search for fuboTV. Using the on-screen keyboard or Alexa voice remote, type fuboTV. When the app appears in the search results, select it. You should see the official fuboTV application listed in the Amazon App Store. Click on it to open the app page. Step 3. Install fuboTV. Now click the Download or Get button. The app will begin downloading automatically. Wait for the installation process to finish. Once completed, click Open. Congratulations, fuboTV is now installed on your FireStick. Step 4. Sign in to your account. When the app launches, you'll be presented with several options. If you already have a fuboTV subscription, select Sign in. You may see an activation code displayed on your TV screen. Using your smartphone or computer, visit the activation website shown by the app. Enter the activation code and sign into your account. Within a few seconds, your FireStick will automatically log in. Step 5. Create a new account. If you're new to fuboTV, choose Start Free Trial or Sign Up, depending on what's available. Follow the on-screen instructions. Select a subscription plan. Enter your account information and payment details. After registration is complete, you'll gain access to all available channels included in your plan. Conclusion: that's it. Now you know how to install and use fuboTV on FireStick in 2026. With access to live sports, news, entertainment channels, Cloud DVR, and on-demand content, fuboTV can turn your FireStick into a complete live TV streaming solution. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.